Hello everyone, and today we're going to cover the difference between the verbs Malinger, Skive, and Shirk. To put their definition bluntly, they mean to avoid or shun work, responsibilities, duties, and so on. Let's start with Malinger. Malinger is to avoid duties, responsibilities, work by pretending being ill, sick, or to feign your symptoms, for example, like exaggerating or fabricating them. Let's say one example. Last weekend, our town was hit by a heavy snowstorm, whiteout. So the following Monday, half of the workers were absent from their job. I guess they are malingering, but I can't say for sure. To the next word. Skive. Skive is to avoid work or school. For example, by being sneaky or doing something else during this time. Like say school kids sneaking away during their class and doing something else, like playing games, having fun, and so on. And shirk. Shirk means to avoid work, duties, responsibilities, because you think they are unpleasant, boring, routine, monotonous. For example, let's say, what can it be? Like doing house chores or babysitting. So you think those kind of responsibilities are boring and monotonous. So you're shirking from them. And that's all the difference. Thank you so much for watching. And see you next time.